sorry, sir. Sorry.
You start you, man.
I'm sorry, sir. I told Lisa that I wanted to ease myself, so she said I should come upstairs.
It's okay. There's a room.
Oh, okay, sir.
I'll be upstairs.
Oh, okay, sir. Babe, let me understand something. Is it that you naturally have self-control?
How do you mean?
Your brother-in-law, that man is so fine. I mean, see his beard, his chest, his leg.
Angela! Can you stop? That is my brother-in-law married to my sister.
And so? Wait, you're trying to tell me that you are not attracted to him in any way? Are you sure blood is running through your veins?
This girl, you have officially gone crazy. You're mad. You don't even know.
Anyways, I feel that is the reason God did not give me any fine in-laws. You know, I told you my brother-in-laws are very ugly. Ordinarily, I'll be misbehaving.
Stop admiring somebody's husband. It is a sin. Do not admire someone else's property. What is your problem? Listen, Angela, after today, I do not want to see you around me. Do not come to my house again, please.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Because I said your brother-in-law is fine.
Do not repeat it. See, come and start going. It's enough. Let's go, Oya.
Wait.
Come and go.
You think I'm an orphan and I don't have a place to stay? I come here because I like you.
Don't come
it's okay,
again.
it's okay. Don't scatter it because I'm winning you now. You have scattered it. What is your problem?
How can you be lusting over somebody's property?
Property.
Are you insane?
Property, how? His mate used to marry too. What is
let me tell you. I think this is where we say goodbye. You would stop coming to my house after today, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
You live in this neighborhood?
No, I came to see one of my friends.
Oh, okay. So you have other friends in this neighborhood aside Lisa?
Something like that, sir.
I can see. So where are you heading to?
I'm going home, but my keke guy hasn't come yet.
Oh, sorry about that.
Thank you, sir.
Hop in, let me drop you.
Thank you, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm alright.
Have you eaten anything? Are you hungry?
Don't worry about that. My wife must have prepared lunch for me.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, do you like banga rice? I make it very well.
I'm not a fan of banga.
Okay, tell me, what is your favorite food? Yes, I can make it.
Well, my favorite is porridge.
I make porridge jam very well. I put different kind of fishes inside. You would love it. Maybe you give me your address for your office so I'll bring it for you.
No. Don't worry about that. My wife prepares porridge very well. As a matter of fact, I don't think anyone else can beat my wife when it comes to porridge. So where are you going to stop?
That side, up. I don't know what is reacting on my body like this, so... I don't know, just everywhere in my body. So, you feel it now?
No. I think you should see your doctor.
Okay.
Go see your doctor.
Okay, sir.
Where did you say you're stopping again?
Still forward a bit. Don't know why this is suffocating me.
Yeah.
Sir, please, I'm looking for a job. In case there's any vacancy, you could.
For now, there is none. But if there is any, your friend will reach out to you.
Okay, sir.
Guess you're stopping here.
Yes, sir. Here's my number, sir.
What for?
You can call me whenever you're bored and you want to hang out. I'm a very good company.
Please use the door.
Sir, did I offend you?
I don't need your number. Use the door.
Okay. You can still keep it in case the vacancy comes out. Just call me, sir. God bless you, sir.
Use the door and take your number.
Sir, this is not the...
Take the piece of paper
Sir,
out of my car.
Please, my house
I
is still
don't
forward.
have time. Go down.
Sir, please, I'm sorry.
What's wrong with girls of nowadays? What's wrong with them? Can you imagine? Giving me your number, don't get it. So disrespectful. Nonsense.
Yeah, very. What is it?
Please, can you imagine?
What?
This is fun.
Is this real or scripted?
It's definitely scripted. Everything is now content for the gram. Can you imagine? That's quite funny.
It is.
See.
What is this? Ah, my goodness.
Wow. Are you saying?
Yeah, this other part here.
Hello? Are you still at home?
Yes, I'm just about to leave.
How about Phil? Has he gone to his office?
No, he's upstairs.
Good. Please go upstairs and tell him that I need him to help me bring the file that is on the table. It is written confidential. I need it. Please go now.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
I thought I lost. Here you are. You did something?
My sister said that you should check on the table for a file with confidential written in it. She asked that you get it across to her office when you go to the shop.
It's okay. I will get it.
Is it that you naturally have sense of truth?
How do you mean?
Your brother-in-law. That man is so fine. I mean, see his beard, his chest, his
Angela! Can you stop? That is my brother-in-law married to my sister.
And so? Wait, you're trying to tell me that you are not attracted to him in any way? Are you sure blood is running through your veins?
I really like the color of your hair.
You do?
So nice.
This is blonde and dark brown mixture of red, kind of.
And
Am I right?
a touch of gray.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This was the same kind of hair you wore the first day I set my eyes on you.
No kidding. You remember that?
I do.
Aww. Okay, what else do you remember? Wait, hold on. Baby girl, you can change the channel now. We're not watching anymore. What else? What was I wearing? I mean, blow my mind. If you remember this, I'll be blown out of my mind.
I think a white top.
And?
A pink skin piece.
Did you hear me? Lisa, we're not watching again. We're conversing now. Lisa?
Yes, yes.
Yeah?
What did you say?
Are you okay?
Yeah, sure.
You sure? Okay, go ahead and watch whatever. We're good
okay.
here. Did you say white and pink?
Mm-hmm.
No friggin' way!
My bad. But you have this top, spaghetti top,
No,
white
spaghetti.
on it, white
It's
behind.
macaroni.
Macaroni.
Macaroni is good. There you go. Let me put service in my hand to make it a smooth journey from your plate to your mouth.
Always making me feel like the king that I am.
Yes, you are. There you go. Okay, finish one on your mouth and make it small.
You always make me feel like the king that I am.
You are, Tim. Where are you going?
I'm done.
But you hardly even touched your phone.
Okay.
She's watching her weight, I guess.
Young girls of nowadays.
Because some starvation to maintain that figure. Don't eat a lot. Do you watch that Beyonce's video where the models used to swallow cotton wool?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Okay.
It's alright. What's this?
You know you can confide in me. What's going on?
I think I want to get a place outside school.
Eh?
Yes. I want to be by myself. Like, I want to live outside this house.
But you enjoy staying with us. What has changed?
You and your husband needs privacy. That's all I'm giving.
Lisa? I said it, you have not been your usual self. You no longer spend time with us. You keep to yourself a lot. It's strange. Now you want to move out of this house. Have we offended you in any way?
No.
Then what is it?
I'm okay.
Lisa, look at me. Tell me what it is and we'll fix it. If it's something we're doing wrong or should be doing, tell me about it. We'll put it in place. You're my only sister and you're all I've got. We have been there for each other since our parents died, and the thought of you leaving is going to shatter me. I'm going to spend the rest of my days worrying about you if you leave where I can see you.
Angela, I'm in big trouble. I am in big trouble. I swear, I wish I can just unsee everything that I saw that day. I have not been myself, I've just been having this wild imagination running through my mind. Is there a way I can just shake off this ugly image off my head? Because it's drowning me and I don't like this feeling. I'm so scared. I don't even know what to do. What can I do?
Unfortunately, nothing. Just move on.
Move on? It's not possible, you know. I mean, this is my sister's husband, my in-law, like my brother-in-law.
That makes it easy. He's not your blood brother. See, it's a natural thing to happen when you've seen something like... Besides, this young man is so fine.
Stop it.
You cannot even keep goats and yam and expect it not to eat it. The seed has already been sown. For you to have peace, do the needful. It's not biggie, really.
I can't.
Now, let me tell you. You know, when I tell you these things without giving you an example, you feel I'm telling you something that has never happened. Mine was my stepdad. I saw him stark naked, like nothing. It kept tormenting me. I kept seeing the images until I confronted him.
You did what? Wait, Angela. Don't tell... Oh my God.
Yes. Are they not living together? My mom, my dad, are they not together? Leave all these things you do. You act like a child, seriously. And let me tell you something. After that incident, every likeness I had for him turned to hate. So you better make up your mind. Immediately you satisfy this sexual urge, you will feel better. It's either you like him the more or you start hating him. So choose your fate. It's nothing serious. Sex that people used to do, cola. It's something you're feeling. Go and do it and help yourself. If not, this picture, I'm telling you. Please, can you get me water to drink? Talking to you is a whole lot.
What happened?
How do you mean?
You're looking all giddy today.
I'm just being my usual self.
Nah. You haven't been yourself for the past few days. Or could it be your monthly visitor?
Stop, Joe.
Well, this is the Lisa we all know, not that grumpy girl.
What if I told you you caused my grumpiness?
Me? How?
Don't worry.
Welcome home. You'll never cease to amaze me.
Hey.
Lisa.
Please can you give me Saint's body lotion? My own has finished.
It's alright. See, it's over there.
Can't get it for me now.
You can get it yourself. I'm dressing up. Why don't you take it to your room? When you're done, you can bring it back.
Oh, no, I don't want the stress of going there and coming back again.
You and soft life.
Don't you like soft life?
Yeah, to your room is stress.
Yes, no.
It's alright then. By the time you're done, when you're done, you can return it back where you pick it up from.
Okay.
I'll be downstairs.
Okay. Okay.
So you take care.
Your hands.
Take it easy. No.
I hope you're not
Don't get
hurt.
yourself caught.
Fine, I'll just pop this up.
It's okay. Just get
You're
the
supposed to get a
papa.
broom.
I will.
Listen. Oh, my heart flipped. I thought she had hurt herself.
It was because I wasn't in the mood.
10.
Which then, I would like to sleeping while you were doing.
Oh, I knew it. I had the sound of the gates. How was work today?
It was hectic as usual.
I can
Welcome,
tell.
ma. Thank you.
Whoa.
How are you?
So who's winning?
Me, of course, I'm trashing her as usual.
It's me.
10 mil. Can you imagine?
5. Tonight, it's 5.
I hope there's food in this house because I am famished.
Yes, there's 4.
There's food? Charlie, please microwave it for me.
Okay, that's so great.
Whoa. What are you wearing? Did you change your wardrobe?
No, sister, I didn't. You don't like it?
It's okay. As long as you don't wear it outside.
No, I'm not mad. No, sis, I won't wear it outside. Thank you. Okay.
So, Gabby, how did it go today?
Baby, I'll be traveling to Abuja this weekend for a meeting.
What meeting?
It's for all bank managers.
Oh, okay. You want me to come with you?
That would have been nice. But I'll be too busy even for you. But not to worry. I'll be gone for just 2 days.
2 days is like 2 months. I'm gonna miss you.
I miss you too.
It's okay. I understand. It's alright. So...
I'll be gone for just 2 days. Don't cry.
Don't
cry. I'll be back before you know it. Okay?
Okay, you dash me money.
Here and now?
Yes.
I can make you a transfer.
Hey.
Yeah, wouldn't that be nice?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do it when I'm settled.
Thank you, sis.
By the way, let me take care of my house, I beg. You know now this man, that's so I know it's my house well.
Have you forgotten the menu?
Oh my god, he actually got the code.
Sister's code.
Oh yeah.
I got it.
I trust you. Let's go.
Bye, sis.
Bye, girl.
Love
I'll
you.
call you when I land.
Yeah, sure.
Love you.
Don't forget to do the transfer.
This
That's asking me already.
Michael, open the gate. Open the gate.
wasn't invited.
Because this drink is not meant for someone like you.
Really? Who said that?
You are...
24. 24, not 14. Besides, I do this with my boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Of course I do.
And your sister and I haven't met him?
In due time. Am I going to get the drink now? Should I grab it and run to my room?
Get a glass.
Okay.
Lisa. Okay. That's a shot. Yeah.
Another one, please.
Are you for real? Just like that?
Yeah, just like that. We could play a game, you know.
No games. One more, and that is that.
Yeah, that is that.
Huh?
Cross my heart.
Okay. You amaze me. Okay. Time to go to bed.
I don't want to go to bed.
You need to sleep. You are drunk, Lisa.
Drunk. I'm drunk. Drunk.
Listen. Listen, Lisa. Your sister is going to kill me if she finds out about this.
Won't you die? No, I'm not dying. I'm not dying. Not you. Not the baby.
Time to go to bed. Come on. You're beginning to sound like you are in another planet.
I don't want to go. Give me back my chicken.
Time to go. Stand up, please.
I got my chicken too.
There's no chicken. It's glass. There's no.
Glass. Glass.
It's okay, Chris. You'll be fine. By the time you sleep. Sorry. By the time you sleep, sleep, okay?
I don't want to sleep.
You made it.
I don't want to.
No. This way. Yes.
You're taking me to
It's okay. No. This is your bed. Like that. Take off your shoes, okay?
I don't want to lie down.
Okay. So we have to sleep, alright? No. I'm going to my room. You sleep. You sleep! Lisa. I am so sorry about what happened last night.
It's not your fault. I started it all.
Lisa, you were drunk. I should have known better. I should have protected you, but I didn't.
You were tipsy too. So let's just blame it on alcohol.
Lisa, I have wronged you and my wife. How do I even face her? How do I face my wife? Don't you understand?
Can we please not embark on this cute truth? The deed has been done, so let's just move on, please.
Lisa, you call me big bro. Big brothers are supposed to protect their kid sisters and not to take advantage of them. Don't you get it? Don't you get it?
You did not take advantage of me. And you're not entirely my brother. Listen, we've made this grave mistake. And we're never going to do it again. So why don't you just drop it here and don't let my sister ever get to hear about this, because you know she would not survive it. Please.
Home sweet home. I'm back. I'm back now.
Welcome, sis.
How have you been?
Very well, thank you.
Did you cook?
Yeah, sure. I
Because
love
I'm
rice.
famished.
There's rice.
And what?
And
What
small
else?
thing.
What else did you make?
Small thing.
Delicious.
Thank you, sis.
Baby?
Yeah.
What's wrong? You're not eating your food.
I'm just having a slight headache, like migraine, something.
Really? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Well, that explains why you've been unusually quiet all through the ride from the airport.
Yeah, exactly. You're very observant. I just feel I need to take a nap.
Well, you feel better when you wake up.
Yeah, hopefully.
But at least eat some food. You need food in your belly.
Okay.
Even the chicken, at least. It's really tasty.
Try.
Sorry, big bro. I think it's stress.
Right?
Yeah.
You know what stress does? It wears you out. So how many hours did you take to make this?
Just 2 seconds. What are you trying to do? What's the meaning of that? Are you serious? Do you want to sell us out?
You don't expect me to pretend like everything is normal when it's not.
Oh, okay. Why don't you just walk in there and tell her, okay, we did this and we did that, so you can be at peace. Listen, she's my sister too, and I feel the same guilt that you feel. But please, it will do us more good if you pretended like nothing happened.
You see you. Huh? Every time, ice cream, ice cream. What's
it's not
this?
fair. Why would you promise me ice cream and you will not want to get it?
Ice cream? Cold Stone ice cream?
Yeah, Cold Stone.
Big brother, you have to get her Cold Stone ice cream. Otherwise, you see her in your dreams tonight.
Oh.
On whose side are you on?
I'm on the side of my baby.
In that case, you are on my side.
But I'm also your baby.
Hey God, the
Baby.
pressure.
Baby.
Wala.
You won't escape this
Not
question.
you now go set off.
Baby, please tell me which baby are you supporting?
There's something that is inside. I was looking for you inside. You see, that's why I got. Come on inside. Come on inside. Come on inside.
You have to buy this.
Come on inside.
You have to buy this.
I will.
Wait, Lisa. Are you trying to tell me you finally did it with him? Hey! Men! You see why I keep saying, fear men. So after all I am principled young man, he went as low as sleeping with his sister-in-law. What a shame. You see why I hate hypocrites? This is my problem with them.
Angela, are we still on the same topic?
Don't ask me that. The question now is, how do you feel? Like, give me gist.
I feel dirty. I feel like a witch. I feel guilty. I've just betrayed my elder sister.
That should not be your problem. Now that you have satisfied your urge, if this kind of scenario plays out again, would you still want to do it?
Never. God forbid, I don't feel anything again.
Good, you are free now. Because when there will be a problem is if you still feel this sexual urge for him. But since you've conquered, congratulations. So how was it?
Get your filthy hands off me, please.
You're a foolish person. Why are you shouting on me? Were you blind when you went to sleep with your sister's husband? After all day, my sister's husband is a decent young man. There's this one, there's that one. My dear, please. He should be feeling guilty, not you. After all, I've seen 2 sisters marry 1 man before. It's not...
Lisa? Oh, Lisa. What's the matter? Lisa? Why are you clutching onto your tummy? What's the matter? Lisa. What's going on? Talk to me. Is this something you ate? Lisa? Oh my God. Phil! Baby! Baby, please come! Come. Try and rise. Try. Oh. Darling! Why would you do such a thing? Why? Why would you play with your life like that?
This pregnancy can't be kept.
Lisa, it is dangerous for you to continue to attempt to terminate this pregnancy. Doing so almost cost you your life, as you can see.
Doesn't the fetus know that I don't want it? I don't want it.
Well, isn't it pretty obvious that this particular fetus wants to be kept?
It can't be kept. It can't be kept. I don't want to keep it.
Lisa, for the sake of your life, desist from trying to abort this pregnancy. Stop it. And this brings me to the almighty question. Who's responsible? Lisa, who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Did she tell you he's responsible?
No. She didn't. I'm afraid she might do something crazy. Isn't life funny? For years we have yearned for a child. And there she is, pregnant and determined to terminate the pregnancy, even at the detriment of her own life.
So you want her to keep it?
She doesn't have a choice now. She already tried to abort it and it failed. It almost cost her life, matter of fact, and the doctor has warned sternly, saying that another attempt might cost her her life. She just has to keep it. Baby. I know she respects you a lot and she listens to you. Can you please convince her to keep the baby? Please?
It's okay. I will talk to her. Hopefully she will listen. Okay?
Hopefully.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Yeah.
Why on earth are you even thinking of getting rid of the baby? Are you okay?
And how do you expect me to have a baby for my brother-in-law?
Your sister doesn't have a child yet for him. This might be his only chance to fatherhood.
Have you thought about the emotional damage that this will cause my sister? Have you thought about the betrayal?
That's not the problem. The good thing is you're going to help sustain your sister's marriage. Have you thought about this becoming an outsider's case? They will take your sister's place.
Listen, Zane has been father and mother to me since our parents passed on. How do you expect me to walk up to her with this sad news?
It's not sad news. You are doing her a favor. Keep her marriage. What if it was an outsider? They'll just come and take your sister's position. You should be grateful.
Lisa! Lisa! We need to talk.
If it's about this pregnancy, I suggest you don't talk about it.
That's not the point. Lisa, I need to know who is responsible for this pregnancy.
Are you serious? Like, are you seriously asking me that question? Okay, who do you think is responsible if it is not you?
You told me you had a boyfriend.
I broke up long before that night.
How do you mean?
Listen, don't worry. My sister doesn't have to know about it. I'll fix it.
Okay. So what are you going to do about this pregnancy? Do you want to keep it?
I do not have much of a choice.
Listen, Lisa. I know how you feel. Your sister, my beloved wife, I love her so much. I know I have always wanted a child, but not like this. Listen, your sister can never know I am responsible for this pregnancy.
What?
Do you understand? Hey.
Sister. I'm just...
My love, please. Baby, please open the door, please. It's not what you think. It's not what you think. Please just open the door. Let's talk. My love. Zen, please open the door. It's not what you think. Okay? Just open the door, okay? Face to face, I'm gonna explain the whole thing to you. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Babe? Babe? Please, my love, open the door, please. Please, I beg you. Just open the door, okay? Okay, just for 2 minutes, and then I'll walk away, please. Just open the door.
Where could she have gone to?
Baby, please pick up the phone. Pick up the phone, baby, please. Don't want you to do something stupid.
What have we done? I don't think your sister will ever forgive me.
Why are you making this whole thing about yourself? How about me?
But you caused it all!
Yes.
Are you serious? Are you blaming me for something we both did? Did I get myself pregnant?
Don't even go there. Don't even go there.
Yes.
Yes.
only one place in this world she can be.
Ah! My
Your
mom!
mom.
My,
What is it? Who's calling?
my mom, my mom.
Pick it. Go ahead, pick it. Pick it. Pick the call.
Okay. Hello, Mom. Mom, I know.
What did she say?
She's coming here to.
Hey! How could you descend so low, Phil? Philip, how can you do this? Eh? How can you do this to your sister? Lily? Oh my God. The degree of this shame is very unfathomable. This is useless of you people. I go outside. Eh? See, let me tell you. Whatever decision she takes, I will solidly stand by her. Yes! How could you do such a thing to someone who has virtually given up her life for your sake? Can you honor the Maggie? Eh? If you love Roginanya, Phil! If you love Roginanya, how can you rub this shame on me? How can you do that? Eh? Not having respect for your mother. This is a disgrace. And you, Lisa, I'm so ashamed of you. I'm so ashamed of you. Eh? You can't even control yourself. Even if he did not control himself, you can't control yourself. Eh? I don't want to with a band near for. That's what you are. That's what you are. You have to carry this pregnancy and give birth to that child. It's as simple as ABC. Nonsense.
Lisa! Lisa, hurry up. We don't want to be late.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Hello, love. How are you?
You're dressed.
Yes, I forgot to tell you. I'm taking Lisa to the hospital for her antenatal service.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That would be nice.
Lisa, come on, let's go. Okay. Welcome. We'll be back soon.
All right.
Mwah.
Drive safe, okay?
Yes, I will. Come on.
I cannot just wait to give birth to this child. I mean, my life has just turned in a couple of months.
So you want to tell me that up till now, he hasn't bought you a car?
A car? What would I be needing a car for? Like to take me to school every day?
Are you a child?
I don't know how to drive.
Then he will get you a driver.
I can't.
Hi, baby.
I have to. I'm your shadow.
Come this way. Bro, she's on the other side, close to the car. That side.
Where?
That side.
There.
Yes.
Okay, I have to use my boss.
No, I'm telling you, there. No, don't look here. This is the wrong place. There.
I'm getting fragrance from this side, not from this side. There she is!
Oh my God, Mami, come.
I got you.
Wait, first. I don't trust you. Did you tell him where I
No,
was?
she didn't.
I was telling him to go that way.
She said you were there, but
Perceive your fragrance from
Hey,
there.
try to tell me how it tastes in those rooms. Okay, wait.
Okay.
I'll catch you in just less.
I am so blessed with the kind of sister that God gave me. I mean, see how happy she looks and the way she handled this issue. I'm proud of her. I am honestly very, very blessed.
Ready or
typical
not?
case of
Here
monkey
I
walk having the chop.
Let's open now.
What do you mean?
It's you who is
Wait.
pregnant.
Oh, I think it went that way, yeah.
Auntie, it is you who is pregnant. And yet she's the one getting all the love and attention. Is that fair?
How did you know?
I found you!
That's my sister you're talking about.
Oh
Sorry.
my
That was
goodness.
easy. You two
I'm
is
just
progress.
stating the obvious.
That
It
wasn't
doesn't
my
make sense.
fragrance. Someone told you.
Someone that should be
You
massaging
sure?
your feet is there running around
Wow.
like a 6-year-old.
Well,
My
right
turn.
now,
Are you tired?
Auntie, it is you who is pregnant. And yet she's the one getting all the love and attention. Is that fair?
how did you know?
I found you!
That's my sister you're talking about. Sorry.
Oh my
That was
goodness.
easy. You two
I'm
is
just
progress.
stating the obvious.
That
It
wasn't
doesn't
my
make sense.
fragrance.
Lisa, I brought your medicine. You know, I always wanted to ask why you are not taking your exercise routine seriously like the doctor has advised you to take it. Okay. As I was saying, Lisa, you need to take your exercise routine seriously, just like the doctor has prescribed. Because exercising is not only for the able-bodied, it's beneficial even for pregnant women.
Well, why does this even bother you?
I would not want you to have
Complications during childbirth.
That's one of it. One of the things that could happen if you don't take your exercise seriously.
Can I ask you a question? Why did you allow me stay back even after we both know that you're offended?
Why are we having this conversation?
We need to have this conversation. You see, it just dawned on me that you want me to sit here and be a baby-making machine for you because you know that you can't give your husband any child.
What are you saying to me?
The truth. The truth. You see, I am the one who is pregnant. Yet I sleep alone to deal with this uncomfortable nuisance that comes with pregnancy. And you You run to your husband and then you sleep and you forget that you have a baby sister who you have to look out for.
Lisa, why are you saying these things to me?
Lisa? Stop it! Stop it! Are you serious?
Who is that? What? Lisa.
Do you want anything?
My back and my waist is paining. I want massage.
Okay, okay, go. I'll follow you behind. I'll massage it for you.
Eh? No. Me, I want the father of my child to do the massage.
You are joking, right?
Joke. I'm not joking. Did I get myself pregnant? I did not get myself pregnant, so I will not be the only person suffering from pregnancy.
So what do you want me to do?
I want you to do what an expectant father does. You will massage my back. And henceforth, I will no longer sleep alone. It's either you come to my room to sleep, or I come here and sleep. I will not sleep alone.
Oh, what?
You must be out of your mind.
Out of my mind. Okay, actual sense. Am I not the one who is supposed to lie down on this bed? I'm the one carrying your child. Not sister that does not have a room to carry your child.
What?
Listen.
What did you just say?
I'm sorry, but I had to just tell him. Somebody needs to tell him. And he deserves to know the truth.
Lisa.
She's facing me like that.
Don't talk to me! I don't want to listen to you!
I'm genuinely sorry, please.
You're sorry about what? What else do you want to say? That you had complication as a result of an abortion that you decisively embarked on. And now you can't bear children? It is unfathomable that you could keep such a sensitive information from me, your husband.
Sorry. I'm sorry, honey. I was going to tell you, I swear.
But
I was afraid. I was afraid I would lose you if I dared say it. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, please. Please.
I was here, driving myself to naught, thinking I am important.
I'm sorry.
I was here, driving myself to naught, thinking I am important, not knowing you have been the curse, you have been the issue why you can't bear a child. And you think everything will just go back to normal? No! Things are not done that way. For you to keep such a sensitive, such a vital information from your husband, what else you cannot do? What else are you not capable of doing? Tell me.
Please, baby. My life, I swear, I'm sorry. I apologize for this when it plays in your heart to forgive me.
Don't ever call me honey. Don't ever call me baby. I don't want to hear any pet words out from your mouth because you have lost the right to do so. Do you understand? I hate you.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Philip,
Philip.
I can hear you, Mom.
I want you to forgive your wife. She's truly sorry. I want you to take her back.
I've heard you, Mom. I never said I was going to end my marriage. But we all know things may never remain the same.
Why? I ask you, why would things change? She's your wife. And remember, it's not every woman that found herself in that kind of situation that will be proud to say it out. And also remember you hurt her. And she forgave you. So be a man and take your wife back. Build your relationship. It's God that gives children. Children will come. Or don't you have faith?
Ow! Oh my God. Take it easy now. You know I'm pregnant. Do you want to hurt me? Stop.
You need to pack your things into another room.
I don't know how I'm feeling this morning. Kind of nauseous and weak. And I've been throwing up. Let me call you back.
Here. Congratulations, Ma. You are 6 weeks gone.
What? What do you mean 6 weeks gone?
I mean you're pregnant. Once again, congratulations.
Hey, God.
Take it to the hospital. It's okay. Sorry. Easy.
I don't
You just have to. Okay, do you know what? Take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's go. One more step. Sorry.
I want to move.
No. Hold it. She's in there. She's in there.
I want to be just breathe.
Sorry.
Yes. Vamos outside.
You can do it.
You
can do it. You can do it.
Oh my God.
Come on.
I don't want to go.
Sorry.
I don't want to get no.
Almost there.
Sorry. Okay. Be close to the door. Okay. You can do it. Take a deep breath. Just breathe it. Sorry. Sorry. You can't. Sorry. I know how you.
Stop crying. The baby's alive. That should make you happy.
Alive?
Yes.
I should be happy. For a sick child. A child born with sickle cell. Is that what you call alive?
At least the baby has a chance to live.
To live a life of misery. A life filled with pain and crisis. Why did I have to go through this kind of pain just to birth a sick child? Why did I have to go through this pain to give birth to a child that has sickle cell? Why did God not just take that child away from me? Okay.
Baby, please, we need to talk.
What is it?
You are pregnant. I thought you...
That I was hopeless? Well, thank God. Thank God God is not mad.
Lisa, I thought you were at the hospital with the baby. What are you doing here?
I am tired. You see, at this point, I am done, sis. I am not going there.
Done with what exactly?
Done with the baby, the stress, the late night sleep, everything. I am done. Yes, I am done because I did not beg God to bless me with a curse.
Did I hear you right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Did you just refer to your own child as a curse? Lisa.
Just look at me. Look how dusty I look. Because of a gift that has refused to be kept. I cannot do this all. They should carry that baby, whatever they want to, when they are tired, anyway, I don't care. I don't care. Ah.
You need to shut up and be quiet. I agree that you're stressed, but what your baby needs is proper love and care.
Proper love and care, like the late night sleep, all those sleepless nights is not enough love, eh? It's not. I have to kill myself for the baby to know that I am rendering enough love. Me, I don't want to. Whatever they want to do with that baby, they should do. Yes, hello. Yes. What?
Lisa! Lisa!
Where was it? Have you suddenly gone deaf? Why are you looking so malnourished? What are you doing here?
I don't understand.
I beg, give me water too. Get back here. What are you doing here? Where are you going to? My friend, will you get out of this place right now?
Lisa, what has gotten into you? What happened?
You know, I was actually waiting to see you here so I can tell you that you were the mean-spirited daughter of the sea. Was looking at you right now, I do not even have anything to say to you because you're already useless. Now will you get out of this house?
Lisa.
Yes, you sowed a bad seed in me. You almost broke this home. But now I am wiser and I do not want you around me, so get out.
You sure say you never mad?
Are you okay?
Now me sleep with your brother-in-law? Now me get belle for your brother-in-law? You had your choice to make. And you made a very useless one because you were a cheap harlot prostitute.
Eh? You Chris? Okay.
What's going on here? What's going on here? What is it? Who are you? Who are you?
Madam, don't let me change that for you.
Can you get out from
Because I make a push.
Get out! Get out from this place. Get out! Get out!
My papa. Go read 1 Samuel. You go see what David do Goliath. Stupid people.
Who is she? It's okay. Stop calling.
You say I look malnourished.
It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be fine. Stop crying. You will get better with time. Okay? Okay, my daughter. Stop crying.
You know, you don't have to go.
Of what use is it for me to stay here now? My baby is dead. I broke the sister's code. I shouldn't have betrayed you. You're a beautiful soul. I just have to go, please.
Shh. I'm here. I want you to know that no matter what happens, you'll remain my sister for life. I forgive you. And I'll always be here rooting for you. I love you. And I'll always check up on you, okay?
Thank you.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
I have to go now. Thank you so much.
My love, I am vehemently sorry about all that has happened. I take the blame. I know I have really hurt you. I am so ashamed of myself. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Give us another chance to make this marriage, our love story work. Please, please, I beg you, please. Please, I beg you.
My daughter, there is this saying that to err is human and to forgive is divine. You have endured until now. You have fought this battle and you have won. Please, for my sake, forgive my son. Please, I beg of you. Please, my daughter. Forgive him.
I forgive you.
Oh.
Stand up.
No.
I forgive you.
Thank you.
And I'm sorry. I'm sorry to have kept a secret that almost ruined us. Forgive me.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome, Mom.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What is it?
The baby. The baby. Sorry, my
Easy. I think the baby's coming.
Yes.
Take it easy.
Mom,
Let's go to the hospital.
to the hospital.
To what?
Hospital.
Why? Take it easy. Wait. I'm fine now.
Hey, Mom.
Don't you feel? Where's the car key?
Let me get it. Let me get the car.
Get it. Oh, it's painful.
Listen.
Listen.
Okay. I have it. Let's go.
Hello? Hey, John. Oh, so sorry. I couldn't come back again today. Something very fortunate happened. Yes, my daughter-in-law went into labor. And as we speak, she has given birth to twins. As I'm talking to you now, I am a proud grandmother of twins. Agadaga nwoke na nwanyị. Abụkwa ihe ji nwa ekwu. Nwanne m ọkwa nwere ka anyị na-ekpori kemgbe ụtụtụ. Thank God. Thank God. Hey, I am so happy. Yeah? I'm even going to the hospital now to give them some diapers and baby clothes. Let me rush. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey! Iyoma merani, Iyoma.
Iyoma merani, iyoma. Onwe bula nwanyi n'afọ ime ka ọ mụtara anyị nwa. Ka ito boroko ṅụọ mmanya ngwọ. Hey!